Hi viewers, this is Karunakar, lecturer in botany. Today we are going to discuss about secretory structures in plants. What is secretion? You see complex phenomena of separation of substances from the protoplast. The secreted substances may be excess of ions removed in a form of salts and excess of products as sugars or cell wall substances. Products that will not be used physiologically as alkaloids, tannins, and terpenes, resins, and crystals. Some secretory substances are waste products. The removal of waste products of metabolism is called excretion. You see, secretory tissues in plants can be of two types. First one is glandular tissues. It is called as glands and trichomes, and latissiferous tissues, ducts and latispheres. You see the types of secretory secretion. Two types of secretion is there. One is intracellular secretion and extracellular secretion. You see the intracellular secretion from membrane bound compartments within the cell. Extracellular secretion from cell to the outside environment. See, the secretory glands are highly specific in their activities depending on the material they secrete. There are two types of glands is there. Glands that secrete hydrophilic substances and glands that secrete oil is hydrophobic substances, and secretion is either by exocytosis and diffusion. You see external secretory structures, these are four types. One is trichomes and glands, and another one is nectaries and osmophores, hydatodes. These are four comes under external secretory structures. You see internal secretory structures, secretory cells, and secretory cavities and canals, and latispheres. These are three types. Internal secretory structures are three types. What are they? They are secretory cells and secretory cavities and canals and latispheres. You see this diagram, the A shows hydathode and B showing glandular hair and C is the stinging hair and D to F nectar and G is the digestive gland. You see the external secretory structures. If you going to study about trichomes and glands, the trichomes include hairs, scales, and other structures, and may be glandular or stinging types. Glandular trichomes are specialized hairs found on the surface of plant's leaf. And then if you see, trichomes have unicellular or multicellular head composed of cells producing the secretion found on a stalk of non-glandular cells. Oil secreting trichomes and oil could be stored in vesicle in cytoplasm or stored in plastids. For example, oil secreting trichomes, mint, geranium, lavender, and stinging hairs in Utica. And glandular trichomes have specialized functions in insectivorous plants. You see, play role in defense, secrete mucilage, is effective in trapping insects and containing proteolytic enzymes to digest the insects. You see the diagrams of these leaf surface of mentha, uh, paparita, showing yellow rounded sessile secretory glands and pointed non-secretory trichomes. See secretory trichomes in this another picture in Utricaceae. And if you see the secretory trichome, glandular trichome structure in this diagram, and if you see another trichomes, how it is showing in digital photography, scanning electron micrographs, these pictures, and types of glandular trichomes found in the family Lamiaceae that secrete essential oils, and peltate trichomes. If you see, it consists of a basal cell, a short stalk cell, and a broad head made up of 4 to 18 secretory cells arranged in a single layer in one or two concentric rings. The lateral wall of basal cell and short cell is completely cutinized. The secretory products remain in the space until the cuticle is ruptured by some external forces. You see capitate trichomes. These consist of a basal cell, a uniseriate stalk, one or several cells long, and a head made up of one or several secretory cells. Most species of Lamiaceae have two types of capitate trichomes, short-stalked and long-stalked. We see a transverse section of stem of foxglove, salt-secreting glands vary in structure and method of secretion and carried to gland by transpiration stream, generally occur in plants that grow on saline soils and secrete inorganic salts. And mainly are two types are there, bladder like hairs called as salt bladders and chalk bladders. The salt secretory gland, how it is showing this diagram, and if you see salt glands on the leaf of Chenopodium quinoa, and chalk glands in the leaves of common uh, plant album, it is a Chenopodium album, and in a triplex plant bladder like cells attached to epidermis where ions are secreted into large central vacuole. After cells collapse, ions are deposited on the surface of the leaves. In tamarix complex gland of 8 cells, 6 secretory and 2 are basal collecting cells, salts accumulate in microvacuoles until it's secreted by fusing with plasma membrane. Salt then exit through pores in the surface layer. And if you see nectaries, nectar glands, nectar is a gland or part of flower that secretes nectar to the exterior of plants, deeply sunken, present on epidermis. Both xylem and phloem participate in secretion by nectaries. Some nectaries have their own vascular bundles, often consisting of phloem only. A nectar is secrete sugar containing liquid. The sugar is not as derived from phloem but modified by enzymes of nectaries. If you see, nectaris could be floral nectaris is there and extra floral nectaris. These are two types of nectaris is present in one is the floral nectaris occur in flower found on sepals or petals, stamens, ovaries are the receptacles. You see extra floral nectaris occur on vegetative parts of the plant on stems, leaves, stipules and pedicel of flower. And if you see this diagram, nectaries may have the form of glandular surface or may differentiated into specialized structures. The secretory tissue is covered on the outside with a cuticle. The secretory cells of nectaries have dense cytoplasm and small vacuoles often containing tannins, numerous of mitochondria and ER. If you see osmophores, it is an important thing in this secretory tissue. Secretory terpenes as the main fragrant materials have fragrance producing properties to attract pollinators. Osmophores appear as flaps, cilia, or brushes. Osmophores are found in a large number of families, including Arachia. and Asclepiadaceae, Archidaceae, Solanaceae, Liliaceae, and Oleaceae and Buraminaceae. If you see the lateral cephals of Scapocephalum, archids are crowned by two osmospores. And if you very important thing is the diagram shows very clearly hydrathodes. It is a very important for short questions and secretory structure that discharge water from the interior of the leaf to the surface. It is called as guttation. Structurally are modified parts of leaves located at margins or tips. Epitheme is chlorophyll-free parenchyma, may be compact or with intercellular spaces, may be differentiated as transverse cells with thick cell wall. This is this picture A and B, equisetum and strawberry, both are showing guttation on the leaves. It's clearly visible. And collators, you see collators also, and internal secretory structures. If you see secretory cells are there, and specialized cells dispersed among less specialized cells. Secretory cells may be elongate, so-called sacs or tubes. Secretory cells are classified based on their contents, but many secretory cells contain mixtures of substances. Secretory cells containing oil, example Rutaceae. Others with resinoferous cells or mucilaginous cells are there. If you see the secretory cavities and canals, secretory cavities and ducts secrete substances into intercellular spaces. They are more or less isodiametric or considerable, elongated in one plane, and schizogenous cavities formed by dissolution of middle lamella, usually lined with intact cells. Example, oil glands of eucalyptus, resin ducts in coniferous, similar to gum ducts in dicots. ఆయిల్ గ్లాండ్స్ ఆఫ్ యూక్లిప్టస్ మీరు క్రష్ చేస్తే లీఫ్ని ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఆ స్మెల్ వస్తుందన్నమాట. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ లైసోజీనస్ క్యావిటీస్. సైజోజీనస్ ఆల్రెడీ we are studied, for example, oil glands of eucalyptus. And if you see lysogenous cavities originate by lysis of few cells forming the cavity. Partly disintegrated cells occur along the periphery of the cavity. Oil cavities in citrus plants and mucilage canal in bud scales of Tilia. Schizolysogenous cavities is there. In some instances, schizogeny may be followed by lysis and the intercellular space so formed is called schizolysogenous cavity. Oil glands are also found in the floral parts of clove and egonia and are the source of clove oils. Development of oil glands, if you see, and resin ducts of pinus, A shows, and B shows oil cavity of citrus fruit, and C shows protoxylem lacuna of maize. And if you see holocrine secretion and macrocrine secretion, these two pictures shows. And if you see latticifers, latticifers were first described by H.A. de Bary in 1877, are series of connected cells that contain latex. Latticifers may be simple or compound by origin. Simple latticifers, it is called single cells. They consist of extremely elongated single cells, and compound latticifers, if you see, derived from series of cells, dissolution of intervening was so called. This picture shows articulate latticeferous in leaf of Musa and non-articulate latticeferous. Second picture shows and TS of stem of Euphorbia showing non-articulate latticeferous. And then both type could be branched or unbranched, occur in various tissues and organs but may be restricted to phloem. And latticifers have primary non-lignified cell walls variable in thickness. And latticifers have living protoplast when the latex is formed, but some undergo autolysis during this process. And if you see, D is shows latex cell in euphorbia, and E picture shows latex vessel in carica papaya. And if you see, articulate latticewares consisting of longitudinal cells occur in Asteraceae, Convolvulaceae, and Papaveraceae, Euphorbiaceae, and Supportaceae, Liliaceae, and Musaceae. Articulate non-anastomosing compound tubes not connected with each other laterally. Examples, Papaveraceae. And if you see, articulate anastomy, cell chains connected with each other laterally, all united into a net-like structure or reticulum. Example, Asteraceae, Caricaceae, and Euphorbiaceae, Papaveraceae. You see, non-articulate latticewares are multinucleate bodies, originate from single cells. By their continuing growth, these cells develop into tube-like structures, are common in Moraceae and Apocynaceae, Euphorbiaceae, and Eutychiaceae and Asclepiadaceae. Non-articulate unbranched develop from more or less straight tubes, and non-articulate branched, if you see, each cell branch repeatedly forming an immense system of tubes. You see, the latex, it's an important thing. Secreted by latticewares varies in appearance and composition, frequently milky but may be clear and colorless or brown on orange. Of the components of latex, terpenoids and alkaloids, and sugars, waxes, proteins, enzymes, and crystals, tannins, and starch. This diagram shows how to latex extract from plant. You see resin ducts in pinus. This picture shows resin ducts are long space surrounded by resin secreting cells. Resin ducts occur in vascular tissues of all plant organs, and this is the total secretory tissues. And then if you see, the stem also contain a variety secretion structure in this diagram shows, and kinovins. See, a special type of dramatic duct containing polyphenols are formed frequently in the wood of eucalyptus in response to wounding or fungal infections. Formation of kinovines in both xylem and phloem is initiated by lysogenous breakdown of parenchyma bonds and produced by the vascular chemia. Latispheres, if you see, and secretion, holocrine and merocrine secretion pictures, and resin ducts of pinus, oil cavity of citrus fruit, and protoxylem lacuna of maize. This picture shows uh, and development of oil glands, and very important schizogenous cavities and lysogenous cavities. Best example for schizogenous cavities is eucalyptus oil and oil glands of eucalyptus, and lysogenous is citrus, oil cavities in citrus. Okay, remember this. Internal secretion structures and collaterals. This is the hydathodes. How to plant guttation in leaves. You see this picture. Osmophores is there. Floral nectaries and extrafloral nectaries. It comes under nectaries. Nectar glands.